to say is, if I was your girl.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lexsamarie with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a men's braiding tutorial. Specifically, it's going to be a cornrow slash single or individual braid style. I actually saw this style on Instagram. I will put a picture probably over here, but I just thought it was so unique because it had like a zigzag formation and a cornrow down the line, like down the middle. And I just thought like, ooh, like this would be something interesting to do for my channel. So I decided to do that look and do my version of the same style. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you are not already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you like this video. The content that I post is hair, beauty, girl tech, and vlogs. So if you are interested in any of those things, make sure that you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? 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 My hair tutorials don't just have to do with women's styles, they also have to do with men hairstyling. So if you are interested in seeing different styles, please let me know and say the styles in the comment section down below so I can show you guys how I would do that style in my own way. But yeah, let's just stop the talking, just cut straight to the chase and get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is a very important step just because you want the braids to look very sharp and very neat. So for your clients that do have kinky or coily hair, make sure that it's nice and blow dried so you can start on a good foundation. Now I'm just using my Shine and Jam and my comb to part the hair right down the middle. I'm parting it a little bit to the left because I know I'm going to part it to the right to have that cornrow going down the middle. So I'm just trying my best to make sure that it's nice and straight. So for the zigzags, I just parted a triangle right in the front of his head on the right side, and I'm just going to do a single braid. Nothing too crazy, but I'm going to make sure that it's in the direction that I want the braid to go. All right, so as you can see, I am taking my time doing these cornrows. You want to make sure that you are, going step by step, making sure that all the hair is being gathered and that it's going in the right direction that you want it to.